Alright, October 4th, 2022. Tyler, he's here. 7:39 coming to you again north of Conrath. We have the O998 on the way right now after it made moves around Ladysmith and is following the 302 right now. We have the Budd RDC1 of CN 1501 on the way at this time, as it is about ready to pass milepost 348. And she is on its way to Owen at this time and will go westbound on the Minneapolis Sub. So let's check out the CN 1501, the track and geometry vehicle, as we lean back and get him. Here we go. These cab headlights are not working. That's alright. Get the cab lights back on, but it worked. So off rolls the way the O998 as it heads for the Minneapolis Sub at Owen. And we'll do it for this video here at the north side of Conrath. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time, and I'll see you down the main line. Tyler, he's out.